Today I'm showing you 5 amazing AI APIs you can start using right away, no sign-up, no key, just pure creativity. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a set of rules and protocols that allows different software applications to communicate and interact with each other. It acts as a messenger, enabling one application to request data or functionality from another, without needing to know the inner workings of the other application. So that's how you can start building cool AI projects, without API keys, credit cards, or stress. Which one will you try first? Comment below.